Hey everyone, so we just want to walk you through how to add members of your team to Sumo Quote and some of the restrictions between admin level and normal level. So I'm going to go up here to configuration and I'm going to go down to my team here. Right, so I've got my team and I can go in here and I can add a user and it's just first name, last name, email, and phone number. Now, the big thing here is deciding whether they're going to be an administrator or a normal user. And I'll walk you through what that means. So let's go back to our project here. Now, the first thing you're going to see is that as an administrator, you're going to have access to configuration here. So under configuration, you can set your branding, you can set your default layout, you can share PDFs, load your price data, your team, billing, a bunch of this stuff here. So all administrators will have access to this to help set up these things and work on these things. Now, when I jump into an actual project here and I go into a report, the next thing you're going to see is that as an administrator, if I'm saving a template, I've got the ability to share that template with all users. And not only do I have the ability to share it with all users, but I can go into view template and I have the ability to edit and delete and move these templates around in here. So your administrator is going to handle all of your shared documents and templates. So when I go to custom PDF page here, our PDFs, we've got my PDFs, which users save for themselves as their own. We've got shared PDFs, which the administrator loads for them, and then single-use PDFs and an additional text page. So my PDFs, a user is going to be able to load under their own name and under my PDFs here. Shared PDFs, configuration holds the shared PDFs here. So again, that's an administrator task. That's something that they're going to be able to load in here. And they'll be able to, if they go in there as well, delete PDFs out of there and add new ones in. So administrator has access to all of that. Finally, when we go to the dashboard here, and I'm going to, change this because I come in here and I change this around to see, the exact date range and stuff like that, what I want to view. The administrator will be able to look at this and have this drop down. So they can go here and say, well, how's Merlin doing? And they can look directly at Merlin's dashboard and see what's going on there. And the next thing is they can go here and they can go all salespeople and look at the company's pipeline, the company's win-loss here, and have it broken out by team member as well. So those are the main features between administrator and normal user. You'll just have to figure out as you're adding people what sort of access and control you want to give them. As always, if you have any questions, send us an email, hello@sumoquote.com. Thanks so much. Have a great day, you guys.